Alright guys, welcome to my parents' house. Today I wanted to do my very first haul video of one of my personal favorite stores, and that is Daiso. So I don't know if these exist on the East Coast. Pretty sure they don't because I haven't seen any. But we have some scattered throughout California. They are basically a Japanese dollar store. Well, Japanese $1.50 store. Most things are $1.50 at Daiso. Some things range up to like $4 or $5. All the stuff is good, no matter if it's $1.50 or $4 or $5. So let's get right into this bag. So Daiso sells all sorts of things from small clothing items, makeup, bathroom supplies, paper, craft supplies, kitchen stuff. I love the kitchen stuff. Actually, let me start with some stuff I've already been using. This little tea kettle, for example. This one was only $3. Comes with this little mesh net inside, so you can use your own tea leaves and make your very own tea. Also in the kitchen section, they have very cheap plates, so I've been using one of these porcelain plates for my gouache because it's really easy to clean. Another dish I use for art supplies is this little sushi cup. I got it just because it's cute and it was $1.50, so I use it as like a water cup. I also got these bamboo brushes. Keep those with my sushi cup. This was actually a chopstick holder, but I use it to rest my brushes on. It's a tip I got from my art teacher, Auntie. Some other things I've already been using to organize are these plastic office boxes. But sometimes at Daiso, things will have little phrases on them that don't really make sense. This kind of makes sense, but I don't know why it says what it says. But they're really cute and pink and help me organize my room. Also, with the office supplies, Daiso is where I get my little cute erasers. This is just a couple of them, for example, but they have all sorts of animals. This is where I get my dessert-themed erasers. Speaking of cute things, this little kitty, not piggy bank, kitty bank. I already started putting some coins in it, so she's been coming in handy. Now, let's get into this bag. So there are a few clothing articles at Daiso, not a lot, but they do have quite a few options in the sock department. And they had a little toe, and I wanted to try some socks with a little toe, so $1.50. Let's try it. I also got this. It's like a little bare face measuring tape for if I ever want to order clothes online and I don't know my measurements. I'll break out this little guy. Let me actually unwrap him now. Now that I'm finally making this video. Oh yeah, that'll fit around my body. Oh, and then you just, that's pretty cool. Okay, so you pull it out, and then to retract, just push his little nose. And it's like a keychain, so you could have it on you at all times if you need that. Oh, I also got this fanny pack, kinda cheap material. I mean, definitely cheap material. It's not the best fanny pack, but it was $1.50 fanny pack, and that's why I got it. Now, I also got these slippers there. I was just wearing them. They were $4, but I'm pretty happy with the quality. Like, other house slippers like this are like 20 bucks, so I'd rather just get some $4 ones. At least they're fuzzy. Okay, I also got these chopsticks because I liked the little designs on them. Yeah, always need more chopsticks. Can't eat noodle dishes without chopsticks. Feels weird. Oh, in their craft supply section, they had packs of paper. This is the warm set, so it has all their warm colors. But they also had a cool set, and I think this will come in handy for like little marker comic type illustrations. Also in the craft supply section, I am really happy with these brushes. I got 2 packs before, took some to Orlando, and I've just been using them for watercolor. They're not like too synthetic feeling. They work really well, so I got another pack because $1.50. This is from the little like beauty facial care section. Skincare. care section? Skincare section, let's say that. It's just a little brush. I haven't opened it yet, but I will now. It is soft. So this is just like a little cleaning the face brush because I like to clean my pores and all that stuff. It says it's made of wool face cleansing brush with wooden handles, so I guess it's wool. I'll try that on my face and let you know how it goes. Oh, these are so cute, you guys. These are just called cotton hand towels. This is a cherry blossom design. I've just been using these though to like cover my shelves, to bring a little pop of color to my shelves. And I like this one, but I really love these two. I have a hedgehog one too. I'll insert a little clip of it. But we found these little corgi ones that are so cute. I'll do more close-up clips too. And this little traveling panda. I love him. He's like hiking and looking at a map, making a little cooking fire. Okay, they also have a snack section, so we get things like haichu and pocky sticks there. Sometimes we even get the little seaweed snacks, and last time I got some packets of miso soup that were really good too. This time we got some spicy sriracha peas, chili garlic coated green peas. I'm excited and scared for these at the same time. I will try one. How spicy these are. Oh, they're not spicy at all. I was expecting more like Flamin' Hot Cheeto, but it's a good flavor. It's very garlicky, and it's like that sweet chili spice like sriracha, though that makes sense. This is actually my last item from this haul. It was an earthen pot for $3. It's meant for cooking, but I kind of just want it in my room as a decoration. Thinking about putting paints in it. Well, actually Minnie Small got something just like this where she put her paints in it, so I'm kind of just completely copying it. My mom wants me to use it for cooking, but it's kind of small. There was a bigger option. If I decide to cook with one of these, I would probably go back and get the bigger one, and it will look really nice on my shelf with my shelf covers of a corgi and a little traveling panda. $3 for like some real porcelain thing. That's impressive, Daiso. I guess that kind of sums up everything I got. Yeah, that's my haul video for Daiso. Hope you get the chance to go to Daiso once yourself. I didn't get any footage actually in the store, but there is apparently this really huge Daiso in San Jose. So I hope to get there at some point this summer, and I will definitely film. That's all we got for today. Thanks for watching, and